Okay, so here's what you're gonna make today. It's these like notebooks, and they're like these spiral bound notebooks. So the first thing is there's this stack that need to be sorted. It printed out, unfortunately, like page 1, then a bunch of page 2s, then a bunch of page 3s, and a bunch of page 4s. So like they're all together. So this is 10 different sets. So those need to be sorted into 10 different piles, okay? Then the next thing is once you have them sorted, I'm gonna show you how to use this binding machine so that you can bind them together. So once you have them sorted, you'll put them in a pile like this, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, so this is the binding machine. On the side right here, this is a lever. It goes up and down, all right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a pile of paper. So this is one notebook. It's like all the way to the last page. This is the last page, okay? And you're gonna first punch holes in it. You can only punch about like 6 or 7 pages at a time. So just take like a thin stack like this. Make sure that it's really even. You're gonna slide it in. You can see here, there's like this little red part. Slide it in all the way to the red part. Then you're gonna push it under the screen, push it all the way in. And then you're gonna take one hand, hold it tight so it doesn't move. And then with your other hand, there's this lever up here. So with your other hand, you're gonna pull the lever down, okay? So hold it tight. With your other hand, you're gonna pull the lever towards you. And then what happens is it makes these punch lines, okay? You wanna make sure that you're punching on the right side. You can easily see, just put it face up. Once you're done punching, you're gonna take it and just put it face down in a pile, okay? Then we're gonna go back and we're gonna do all of the other ones. So I'm gonna take 5 more. Make sure we line it up to that little red guy right here. So make sure it's touching, push it in tight, and then pull the lever, hold it, pull the lever. And then same thing, you're gonna take these papers, you're gonna stick it on top of this pile, okay? Okay, so this is my last one. Once you have all of your notebook pages punched, they should be in a pile like this. You're gonna take one of these binding coils out of the box, and the binding coil goes on top back here. So take your handle, put it so the handle is straight up, and then you're gonna take your binding coil and you're gonna slide it on the back. Now you wanna take your binding coil and you're gonna push, you're gonna take the handle and push the handle away from you this time. So push it away from you so that it opens up these little rings, okay? So now that the rings are open, all you have to do is take the piles that you have and you're just gonna carefully slide them on the rings. So just do a couple at a time. So like the pages you punched are already in order. You might have to fix it. I think this one got a little messed up. So you just have to slide it on the rings. Once it's in, kind of push it down. And then you're just gonna keep going until you have all the pages on the rings, okay? If it starts to get too full, you can take the handle and slowly kind of bring it back towards yourself. It kind of makes the parts like poke up a little bit higher. So then you can push it down and you have more space. Once you're done, you're gonna take the handle and you're gonna pull the handle all the way back towards you really carefully and slowly. It's gonna roll up all the coils, make sure it's all the way, let it rest in its like upright resting spot, and then you just slide this off and now everything is coiled.